Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 13.2. It is third part of this exercise. Question is a to the power 5 by a to the power 3 multiply a to the power 8. Dear students, as we know, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So we write here in this way: a to the power 5 minus 3 multiply a to the power 8 is equal to a square multiply a to the power 8. Here bases are same, so we take base as common and add powers. 2 plus 8 a to the power 10. It is an exponential form. Next question is a to the power 4 to the power 5 multiply a to the power 8 multiply b cube by 4 to the power 5 multiply a to the power 5 b square. At first we write prime factor form of 4 is equal to 2 square. So we write question in this way: 2 square to the power 5 multiply a to the power 8 multiply b to the power 3 by 2 square to the power 5 multiply a to the power 5 b square is equal to a to the power 2 multiply 5 multiply a to the power 8 b cube by 2 to the power 2 multiply 5 into a to the power 5 b square. Using this law, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n is equal to 2 to the power 10 multiply a to the power 8 b cube by 2 to the power 10 multiply a to the power 5 b square. Now we write here bases are same, so we take base as common, and in division form we write 2 to the power 10 minus 10 multiply a to the power 8 minus 5 multiply b to the power 3 minus 2. Using this law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, we write it in this way also: a to the power m divided by a to the power n or a to the power m minus n. Hence, by simplification, we find 2 to the power 0 multiply a cube multiply b to the power 1 or simply b. 2 to the power 0 is 1 multiply a cube multiply b or simply we write a cube b. It is an exponential form. Next is 2 cube multiply 2 to the power 2. We solve it: 2 to the power 3 plus 1 to the power square. Using a to the power m multiply a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 1 4 square is equal to 4 to 8 2 to the power 8. It is an exponential form. Here also we use this law: a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Dear students, question number 3rd of this exercise is say true or false and justify. Here two parts is written: LHS and RHS. LHS is 10 into 10 to the power 11 and RHS is 100 to the power 11. Dear students, we need to write this equation is true or false. This equation is false, but we need to be justification to write false or true. So at first we take LHS 10 into 10 to the power 11. We write 10 to the power 1 multiply 10 to the power 11. Here bases are same, so using a to the power m multiply a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we write 10 to the power 1 plus 11. It becomes 10 to the power 12. See RHS 100 to the power 11. We write 100 in this form: 10 square 10 to the power 1 multiply 10 to the power 1 to the power 11. So 10 square to the power 11. By simplification we find 10 to the power 2 multiply 11, it becomes 10 to the power 22. Dear students, here we see LHS is 10 to the power 12 but RHS is 10 to the power 22. Hence both are not same, therefore this equation is false. Next is 2 cube is greater than 5 square. This statement is also false, but we need to be justify it. 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. and 5 square is equal to 25. Since we find 8 is smaller than 25, therefore 2 to the power cube or 2 cube is smaller than 5 square. Next is 2 cube multiply 3 square is equal to 6 to the power 5. Dear students, this statement is also false. When we solve it, we find LHS becomes 2 cube multiply 3 square. We write in this way: 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 into 3 is equal to 8 multiply 9 equal to 72, and RHS is 6 to the power 5. When we solve it, we find 7776. Since 72 is not equal to 7776, therefore 2 cube multiply 3 square is not equal to 6 to the power 5. Dear students, in this way, third part of this exercise is completed. In next video, we will discuss next question. Thank you.